We have a 2009 Porsche Cayenne 3.6 liter 6-cylinder. We're gonna show you how to do an oil change. Open the oil cap up so the oil drains out easier. Bring the car up, take the belly pan cover off and drain the oil. This thing has a regular spring suspension. If you in any case have a air suspension, you have to lock it before you bring the car up. You have a couple of 10mm bolts holding the belly pan. 10mm bolt. Cover is broken. Somebody put a zip tie in there. See a little leak around the transmission oil pan. Right. Take the cover off. We have a drain plug over here, 19mm, and the oil filter cap over there. Uses a cartridge filter. Right, the filter has this little aluminum plug in it. That's to drain the oil out of the filter housing so you don't spill it all over the suspension. Try to take that out. Try not to strip it. This one looks like it's stripped, so we're gonna try to take it out, but if it doesn't come out, then we're gonna have to take the cap off and deal with the spillage. And the cover actually came out. Now as the filter is almost empty, you could take the cap off and replace the filter itself. The messed up part is you gotta bring the filter above the front differential. Kinda uncomfortable, but it's doable. It's a cartridge filter. Take the filter off, discard the filter, take the O-ring off the filter cap. Make sure this pipe in the middle of the filter cap is there. If you don't have one in there, get a new filter cap or you might have a lot of problems. Put the drain plug back in. Put a new filter into the housing. Put the new O-ring in. Tighten it up. Don't go super crazy. Untightening the filter. Don't forget it's plastic. Alright, now clean everything and put the covers back on. Alright, now put the cover back on. And as the cover was broken, I'm gonna put another zip tie at the end of it. Now we're gonna put in some oil. This thing takes around 7 liters. Put liquid moly, 0W40 synthetic. Wait for it to drain down into the oil pan. Start the car up for 20-30 seconds and check the oil level. Start the car up. Let it run for maybe 20 seconds or so. Let it pump the oil through the whole oil system. Shut her off. Check the oil level. Alright, and you're all set.